So I wonder if I've been aiming wrong this entire time. I've just been sitting in the range, right? I've been warming up a little bit. I joined that Cloud9 training grounds thing. You guys have maybe seen ads for it. I was curious. I was really curious. I was like, do you think I'm going to learn anything from this? Or maybe not. I don't know. I'll keep you posted on it. I loaded into the range just to warm up before like their introduction session or whatever or something. Just in case, you know, just in case I needed to look spiffy, you know, like I'm looking good. And I'm like sitting here and I was thinking like, I was flicking between these targets and everything started to feel kind of blurred initially. And what I started to realize is I think I'm like fixating on my crosshair. So what I tried to do is I tried to look at the target I wanted to like shoot, the target I wanted to flick to. And it feels a lot easier, honestly, is the crazy thing, right? Like, okay, maybe it doesn't. I don't know, bro. I was doing this for a little bit. It felt like my flicks were cleaner. Is that how you're supposed to aim? Like, I don't know, bro. I'm assuming there's probably players who like do a little bit of both, but it's like maybe I've been doing this wrong the entire time. And what I'm supposed to be doing is looking at my target I'm going to flick to rather than looking at where I'm looking, right? And make it like more muscle memory. Everyone's probably like, this guy fucking teaches Valorant. Yeah, bro. I've never been a good aimer. So it's like, maybe this is part of the reason. But now I'm just looking at the target I want to flick to, and it's going a little bit better. I don't know. I feel kind of spiffy right now, boys. Let's let him do a DM. I think I always looked at the target that I wanted to flick to. It's just like the process of like sitting there and fixating on like what I'm practicing. Maybe I didn't. Like when I'm actually practicing aim training, I think that maybe I spent too much time looking at my crosshair. But then when I'm like in game, obviously everyone has like their peripheral vision, right? You need to have that to actually be able to play well in the game. It's just to like help your awareness, you know? I have that. Like I have the ability to do that. But I think that when I'm practicing, I kind of like let it loose. So maybe that's a problem. Maybe that's like hurting my ability to improve because like in practice, I'm practicing incorrectly or something. And then when I go into once I go into game, it's like completely different because it's like you'll see a target and you'll try to flick on them, right? Like I was looking at the killjoy there. I'm not looking at my crosshair. Yeah, because you have to scan angles. So like when I see that Phoenix, like my crosshair's here, but I see the Phoenix run in. So who knows? Who knows? I guess we'll feel it out. We'll see how this goes. I got him. We switched back to a Reaver knife. Somebody told me to use the Sakura Vandal again, and I was like, nah, bruh. No Sakura today. Oh, if I would have gotten that, I would have been goated. So we're back to the Reaver knife on the Prime Vandal. Can't remember what Phantom. Probably the Oni Phantom. Those are my favorite skins. Every now and then I'll just switch back to this stuff. I even switched my operator. I don't op very often, but we're on the glitch pop op phase right now, so... glitch pop op kind of goes hard. It does go hard. We do have the Elder Flame. Both of them go hard, and I caved in, guys. I bought the butterfly knife. I bought it. I was paying people for the tournament. I was paying the winners and stuff, giving them their prize money. I accidentally purchased too many riot points, so I just like went through and I was like, you know what? We have 20 extra dollars in riot points. Let's just buy the butterfly knife. I suppose I could have given it away on this channel, huh? But I much prefer to buy myself the butterfly knife than I do to buy you the butterfly knife. Although it was 35 bucks, which is kind of the bummer, right? Like I paid $20 and that wasn't even enough to buy the skin that I wanted. It cost 35 bucks. I guess knives in CSGO cost way more, but I mean, 35 bucks is a lot of money. It's a lot of, and I wasn't even able to upgrade it. That's why I'm not using it, bro. I couldn't upgrade it. It was like 35 bucks plus the extra like 20 to even get enough Radiant for it. I mean, I like you. It was like 10 Radiant, but it cost $16 to get 20. So it's like just awkward, bro. It's just awkward. Nice. That's what we call an off angle, folks. Nice. No! Okay, nice. The ace is the most important thing. Like, as long as you get the ace, you're chilling. If you don't get the ace, then you're having a rough time, buddy. Ooh, okay. I don't know if I'm allowed to record the sessions. I'm assuming I'm not allowed to record the sessions for the Cloud9 thing. But, you know, I could probably give you guys updates on, like, what I learned. I'm assuming that's allowed. Generally, in my experience with anything educational is that, like, mostly lower ranked players use them. I'm sure I could still learn something. I'm not so egoed that I don't think I can, but that was kind of nasty, guys. Okay. If I would have gotten that runestone too. Maybe it's working. Maybe the aim training's working. No, I'm not so egoed that I don't think I can learn anything. There's a lot of people who like, they just don't think that anybody can possibly teach them anything once they hit Immortal, you know? And those are the people that never really improve. Those are the people who get hard stuck. Low Immortal. I don't think that I'm gonna learn like obvious. So like it's in increments, right? Like there's diminishing returns. Like if you're a lower ranked player, I don't know if that's diminishing returns. If you're a lower ranked player, you're gonna get a lot more out of it than if you're somebody who's experienced in the game. Obviously because there's less to teach you, right? If you're a higher ranked player, you can still learn some things. You can still pick some things up, especially by watching players and seeing what they struggle with, you know? And since I'm an educator, you know, it gives me even more reason to do something like this where it's like, maybe, you never know. Maybe I'll pick something up from these guys or they'll teach me good ways to teach things, you know? As you're seeing from this DM, I'm kind of the best player in the world. And I haven't won a DM in these videos in a long while, so fuck, bro. And I'm not gonna win it like that. Yeah, we're just running out of sewers and then fighting, bro. There's gonna be another one spawning there now. There it is. Ran the other way. That doesn't happen. 10 kills remaining, guys. That's me. Another sewers. He's just waiting for me now. It's just everyone keeps running through sewers and then you peek him. This is what happens in a full DM lobby on split. There's too many people in here, bro. Alrighty. Nice. I gotta win it, guys. I have to. It's important. No! I hit him 33. Or 90. I hit him 3 times. I'm so stupid. Can't choke. Must not choke. Fuck. I heard him coming up the zip, but I wanted to clear sewers first. That's how you clear angles, guys. You know, like you have to use your timing efficiently. It's like if you have time to clear something, you want to clear it so that you can take a fight more safely, you know? Dude, no. She's close. Dude, this guy like wide swings and then he like fucking crouches. Like every single time. He goes so far out and then he hits you with the crouch and that's what gets you. Nice. God damn it. No, he's went away. I think that's him. I think that's... No! Oh, God fucking damn it. I just can't win any of these. All right. See you guys tomorrow.